Let me quickly show us how to go about our Plotagon app. So when you come here, you click on create video. You give it some time to load. Now, like I did tell us, by default, it will load any scene of its choice. If you don't like it, you want to change it, you will click on where you see the scene highlighted, like in this case, launch area. You click on that pull down menu to show you the various number of scenes it has according to different categories. But this is a free version, so some scenes are not activated. So let's just select from any of the free scenes. Okay, we can use this convention booth or teenage bedroom. You click on the scene you want, you give it some time to load. Now observe that under the teenage bedroom you can see no actor. So the next thing you will do will be to put a character or an actor into your scene. So you click on that button, it will bring you here. There are some inbuilt characters. Then you also have the option to create your own character. If you scroll through, I have created some, and those are the ones you can see, like Omone, Andrew, Johnson, Osaros, Asu, Matthew. Those are the ones I created. Then there are some that are inbuilt, that are free. Then anyone you see this basket by the side, it means it can only be available if you have a subscription or a paid subscription. So let's just click on create character so that you see how you can create your character of your own. So click on create character, give it some time to load, and will come up with a screen. The first thing will be to select whether male or female. So we can just select female, for example. It will give us this stuff. Then these things you see here, which I was trying to tell you that you can scroll through, are the things you use in creating your character. The first one there is the first one there is for the face. There you can specify the face type. Oh yeah, you can go through on your own time. There, what you see under here is for the color of the face or whatever you want to do. You select the one you want. The next is the hairdo, the hairstyle you wish to select. If it's a female like we have here, you try and select an hairstyle that will depict a female. You give it some time to load. I will try and be fast through this. The next one specifies the beards, especially for the male, so we can skip that since it's a female we're working on. We'll go to the next, where you can specify the eye color, the lashes, and the lip color. For example, you do that. When you are done, the next one is for glasses. If you want to add glasses or not to your character. If you don't want to, you remove it. The next is for the shirt, to define the kind of shirt she's wearing. You go through the different options. Then you have the trousers. You select any one. Then you have the shoe, the next one. I'm just trying to be fast so that we can move on to the main stuff itself. Then next here is for you to select what kind of English, the tone of the how the artificial intelligence of Plotagon will interpret your dialogue. Then we go to A, which is where you now name it. So you can give any name of your choice. For example, we can call this one Irene. And when you are through, you click on done and it will take you back to your screen. But if you still want to change the background, here you have the background color. I really don't bother about that. So when you are through, either you go to this A here and click done, or you click on the top arrow this way. So we are done. So it will take us to that scene that we initially selected. It will put our character there, and then you can specify where you want that character to be. You can see it's loading content. Okay, it came here because it wants to be sure if it doesn't know if it's Irene you still want to use in there or another character. So just click on Irene again, the character we just created. You see her sitting on the bed. So if you click on next to Irene, you see on the bed to the left. If you click on it, you see the different options where she can be positioned, either on the bed right hand side, door, middle left, middle, right, whichever. Let's take door, for example, and see how it goes. Okay, so you see it changes, or we can put it back to bed, right. Good. Now hiring is there. We need a second actor or character, but if you don't need, you can go on with only hiring. But let's get a second actor. Let's assume that Omone comes into the room, and let's say that is the brother. Like I said, Omone, I've created that character before. Now Omone is not showing because you can see his position is on the same place with hiring, and two of them cannot be seen in the same place. So you click on that on the bed to the right attached to Omone and select a different position for him. Let's say middle right, for example. So you can now see the two of them. Now to commence dialogue, among all these icons you see under, the first one here is to create another scene. The next one here is for the dialogue. So you click on it and then you specify which actor you want to speak first. Now we have two actors in this scene already. We have Irene, we have Omone. So let's assume Omone is the one talking first. So the camera will focus on him. Then to start what you want Omone to say, you click on where you see write dialogue here or record your voice. You click on it and then you type something. For example, maybe Omone will say, "Good morning, Irene. Good morning, Irene." Good, let's just leave it there. Good morning, Irene. So that has been done. Then for the voice, you click on this microphone icon here. Yeah. So it loads it. You can either choose the inbuilt artificial intelligence voice, or you can even record your own. Let's press play, for example, to see what is on this top button here.
Good morning, Irene.
Okay, you heard that. So, but if you want to record your voice, you press that microphone icon again. Record voice comes up. So that red button in the middle, you click on it and you speak into it. When you are through, you press the stop button. You can click on this good button to listen to it. What is happening? When it changes. Good morning, Irene. Okay, I think I will change it so that I can. Good, so it has affected that. So to now get Irene to respond, click on the top here, this teenage bedroom, and then click on dialogue again. This time you now select Irene as the actor to speak. So you can respond. Irene, you could type good morning. Good morning. Good morning, my brother. Go right. Then you activate the microphone icon again. Give it to load. Press it to record your own voice again. Click on the good icon to do it, and they can press play to listen. Good morning, my brother. So that is basically. Good morning, Irene. Okay, so you see that, Omone was supposed to speak first. So we can move it up. As it is highlighted, click on these three dots here and click on the top arrow, telling you that you want Omone to come first. So with that, Omone speaks first. Good morning, Irene. Good morning, my brother. All right, so that is that. So when you are through, you click on this top button to render your video or save it, and you click on render. You can choose with subtitles or without. So let's click with subtitles. So it does. So once you are through with that, then you save your video. You can give it any name. I can say Irene, for example, and Omone, for example. Anything, and then you click on save. So try your hands on that. It's done. It has saved to your gallery. So you try your hands on that, and let's see how it goes. It will always bring you back to this scene in case you still want to continue editing. Like you can see this button here means you can introduce additional scenes or even the same scene to extend the conversation. For example, you click on it and you put in the same scene. Click on scene. When you put in the same scenes, that means you are elongating the conversation between the two persons. You see, select same actors. This time, let's say we want Irene to be standing, maybe right. Then introduce Omone 2 that was there before. Maybe this time we also want Omone not on the bed, but to be standing left since Irene is right. And then you go through the same process, the conversations, dialogue, and so on and so forth. Thank you. So try your hands.